What is going on, Unify?
I'm just showing a customer what the new AI theta system would look like in his lobby.
That dinky little thing is a camera?
Yeah, for sure.
There is no way that this can stream at high resolution with good dynamic range, and not to mention AI capabilities. And low light? Low light, Unify. You can't change the laws of physics.
Yeah, you nerd.
Oh, okay. Well, guys, check this out. 4K resolution, awesome low light, and powerful AI features. By separating the lens from the body, we simply increase aesthetics, all while still outperforming most cameras out there today.
Wow, are those our new cameras?
Yeah.
Don't you worry about it. Gonna get this baby reinstalled right away.
Yeah, no thanks. We'll keep those.
You know the customer's not always right.